Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling.We're talking about greetings this entire month. 这整个月呢，都是要跟大家问好啦，打招呼啦，最近好吗？等等之类的。
错。
那就干脆教这句话好了。
好啊。
最近好吗？ That means how are you lately? You know, that's probably the most common greeting that you're gonna hear. 怎么说？
俩按久好冇？
俩被俩瞎会。
没啦。
要抓什么？
俩按久就是指最近。
Oh, okay. Wow. With just one word, it means recently. Okay. 俩按久好冇? That means how are you lately? All right. Now here in Taiwan, a lot of times when you meet someone,you want to ask if their family is okay too. 其实在国外也会啦哦。But in Taiwan, a lot of times they get into specifics like, how is your son? How is your daughter? Or they might even ask, are your parents all right? Are they healthy? You know, they would say that. But in general, what it really means is, how's your family? 我们现在来分开来教好了 okay? So for instance, if you're going to greet a friend and ask how his kids are, this is what you can say. 儿子女儿都好吗？
来耶。
来耶。摸耶哦，所以来是儿子
Yeah.
That's son. 摸耶
女儿
That's daughter. Oh, okay.
来耶摸耶
来耶摸耶
全部都好冇？
全部都好吗？Oh, that means 全部都好吗？ That means are they all right? Okay. Sometimes people want to ask about your wife. 有时候会也顺道问一下大嫂也好吗？那样子。太嫂，所以全部就是太嫂来耶摸耶。全部都好吗？Okay.
那海陆腔的儿子跟女儿有点不一样。
Oh, really? Okay. With a different dialect, when you refer to the son and daughter, it's a different pronunciation.
来儿。
来儿。
妹儿。
妹儿。Now, let's say you want to ask about his or her parents. 那怎么说呢？
阿爸。
阿爸，那是爸爸的意思嘛，父亲嘛，对不对？
绑妹。
怎么这么不一样？绑妹。Oh, that's how's your mother and how's your father? All right. 身体都好吗？ Are they healthy?
身体有健吗？
身体有健吗？Oh, so if you put it all together, it would be
阿爸绑妹身体有健吗？
阿爸绑妹身体有健吗？
Yeah.
Okay, that means how are your parents basically. So there you go. These are certain phrases you can use when you're greeting someone and their family and asking how well they are. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.